In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off AI overview features on Google Chrome using a simple setting change that helps you get more traditional web results. If you've been frustrated by AI-generated summaries taking over your searches, this quick fix can make browsing feel much more familiar and useful. It only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through each step clearly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Chrome and Google tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then selecting Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Search Engine section. This is where Chrome lets you control how searches are handled and which search engine gets used by default. Next, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This area gives you more advanced control over search providers and custom search shortcuts, which is exactly what we need for this method. Scroll down until you find the Site Search section. Here, click Add to create a new custom search entry. This is the key step, because we're going to add a Google Web Search option that pushes results toward non-AI web links instead of AI overviews. Now fill out the fields exactly as shown. In the name field, type Google Web. In the shortcut field, type @web. And in the URL field, paste the following exactly. Google base URL search, Q $% and UDM = 14. That UDM = 14 part is important because it helps restrict results strictly to non-AI web links. Once everything is entered correctly, click Add to save it. After that, go back to your list of search engines and site searches and find the new Google Web entry you just created. Click the three dots next to it, then select Make Default. This tells Chrome to use that search option whenever you search from the address bar. At this point, your Chrome searches should start favoring regular web results instead of the AI overview style results you may have been seeing before. If needed, you can test it by typing a search term into the address bar and checking the results page. And that's it. You've now set up Chrome to help reduce AI overview features and get a cleaner, more classic search experience. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.